In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 5s teardown art by Xreart. If you're into teardowns and teardown skins, you're really going to like this. Okay, let's open it up and take a look. I saw pictures of these online and I gotta say, it looks even better in person. It's got a wooden frame with a clear acrylic front. It's pretty lightweight and has mounts on the back to be able to hang it on a wall. You can also just stand it up on a desk or lay it flat on the table. Either way, it looks great. There's also plastic film over the acrylic which will protect it from damage during shipment. This is a great modern type of art piece that you can display in your room or office, and it'll definitely make a great gift. Xreart has different teardown or disassembly art to choose from, including a few handheld consoles like the Game Boy and Game Boy Advance. However, the one drawback is they don't carry any Android teardowns as of yet, but they do introduce new items, so hopefully they'll have some in the future. Another thing I want to mention is that they recycle and use items which have been in circulation before, so don't expect to get a brand new item that won't have any blemishes. For the most part, they're in good condition and look great. And for those of you who'd rather display your own piece of history and want to display your own personal item, they offer do-it-yourself or DIY kits to be able to assemble your own teardown art. In the DIY kit, they include the frame, layout, and tools to take apart your item, as well as glue to be able to glue the pieces to the layout. And the toolkit they provide is very nice. I gotta say, I was really surprised about this. I might even start using this on my teardowns. It's got magnets on both sides to keep it shut, and it's a very premium feeling toolkit. You can take a look at their website and see what layouts they have available, and I'll leave a link to the website in the description. I really enjoyed this teardown art, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's into tech or teardowns. For me personally, when it comes to phones, I feel it's something that basically becomes a part of your everyday life, and to be able to display a piece of that history in your life in an art form is just amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.